to officially go. Let's get it.
For the best in universal premium ester-containing engine oils and fuel additives for both petrol and diesel engines, check the links in the description.
Rich, welcome to the channel, mate.
Thank you very much, mate.
Bro, thank you for inviting me down here. This is like car heaven. You've been showing me around, and what you have down here is mind-blowing.
Cheers, mate. Thank you.
So we're at Appreciating Classics.
Yeah. Generally, we deal in very low mileage, collector-grade cars for collectors, but we also do restorations, dry ice blasting, service, repairs, a bit of tuning work as well. We like to get involved with some bonkers stuff. So yeah, a bit of everything really, but it's all about quality, really. That's what we aim for, is high quality cars and the collector grade market.
Yeah, yeah. And I have seen high quality cars
Thank you very much.
collector cars. I've never seen so many 22Bs in my life together in one place. But yeah, you've got some real cool stuff.
Thank you very much.
One of the coolest cars here, in my opinion, and what my audience have tuned in to see, is this cool car in front of us here, which we believe might be the only GTR engined EVO in the world, right?
No one's ever said otherwise. Okay. So as far as we know, it is, yeah. This belongs to a customer of ours. He's fairly well known for a couple of other builds he's done. He's done some really cool stuff. And he had this crazy idea that he wanted a R35 powered EVO. And why not?
Why not?
And whilst we all have them crazy ideas, he actually went ahead and did it.
Through.
Yeah, and here it is. So it's fully built, stroked 4.1, 2 precision 64, 66 turbos, 1,062 at the wheels.
At the wheels?
At the wheels,
Do we know what that is at the crank for the willy waving figure?
What is it, probably 1,200, 1,250, something like that? Basically, it's had everything done. It's just gone absolutely crazy with it.
What's the drivetrain setup? Is it all R35?
So it's a Hollinger 6-speed sequential, Alcon brakes, Nitron shocks. It's just kind of gone best of the best throughout, yeah.
And do you know what's cool too? With such a big engine in it, like, you know, with four-wheel drives, they're kind of known for pushing on a little bit and understeering sometimes in corners, and that's generally when the engine hangs over the front wheels. But I can see how the wheel and the engine, it does sit behind the front wheels.
It does, yeah. And you can see that inside, because all the firewall's been moved back. And you sit quite far back in the car, a bit like what you do in the race cars. But yeah, the weight has been sort of moved back.
Was this then built for a purpose? Was it like a...
It was built to do a bit of everything, really. So he didn't want a one-trick pony. So yeah, you know, we can take the spoiler off, we can put the drag slicks on, we can put the parachute on.
Oh my God.
So you can go and drag it if you want to. Obviously it's got launch control, rolling anti-lag, it's on Motec. Wow. Or you can set it up in this sort of time attacky type and go on circuit if you're brave enough.
This is insane. Can we show him inside?
Yeah,
too?
of course.
Because this is what we call a race car around here. This is I can smell the power. The placement of the gear shifter too. That's a load cell sequential. There is what we're seeing, and pedal box and everything. This is wow. And no dash. It's just literally the motor. Look at the wing. Look at when he asked for downforce, they probably asked him how much, and he just said yes. Yeah, it's so clean too. That's the other thing.
Yeah, and that's kind of why it ended up here because it's going to be coming up for sale, and he wanted us to, like I say, we've had some of his other projects, and we've done sort of a bit of finessing, if you like, and a bit of detailing, finished some bits and bobs off, dialed a few things in. We're still doing a few little bits and bobs and some test miles. So yeah, but yeah, you'll see what it's about.
Mate, this is crazy. This is crazy. And the fact that someone could possibly own this car too. Yeah. Like, you know, if I didn't have so many builds on the go right now, this would definitely be one. But this, just being around this is what the channel's about. It's these bonkers cars that shouldn't be, with bonkers owners that have just went to town with them, done them properly, and created something special.
100%.
You know? And yeah, I can't wait to get out in it. So shall we go for a blast?
Let's do it.
Let's go, brother. Yo, but before we hit the road, get ready to unleash the full potential of your car with MANNOL's top tier additives and cleaners. MANNOL's benzene ester additive boosts your petrol engine's performance and efficiency. This additive cleans your fuel system, reduces friction and extends engine life. Feel the power and smoothness with every drive. MANNOL injector cleaner. Clogged injectors? No problem. This cleaner restores your injectors to peak condition, ensuring optimal fuel flow and better throttle response. Say goodbye to rough idling and hello to performance gains. Next up is MANNOL Ceramo Ester, ultimate protection for your engine. This ester-based formula reduces wear and tear, enhancing engine longevity and efficiency. Keep your engine running like a beast, mile after mile. And of course, we've got to show the diesels love too. MANNOL Diesel Jet Cleaner, for all you diesel heads. This cleaner blasts away deposits in your fuel system, improve fuel economy, reduce emissions, and experience smoother acceleration. Keep your diesel roaring with MANNOL. And finally, elevate your diesel game with MANNOL Diesel Ester Additive. This bad boy is going to improve lubrication, reduce friction and protect against wear and tear. Get more power, better fuel economy and a longer lasting engine. So guys, hit the links down below in the description and check out MANNOL's cleaners and additives. Every reputable retailer sells them. Oh yeah, Amazon Prime also stocks them. Get them to your door next day delivery. Don't just drive, dominate the road with MANNOL. Let's get back to the video. All right guys, so we're in this crazy GTR engined Mitsubishi EVO 8 and all I can say is this is absolutely race car. There is race cars and there is things that kind of are trying to be race cars. This is a race car, 100%. Literally for the road. It's insane. We sit so far back from where you'd originally sit in an EVO. And the reason I'm giving you this talk right now guys is because when we start moving, you might not be able to hear us. This car is fully ASBO. It is very, very loud. The transmission is insane. It is so loud. So just enjoy what you're about to witness, because I don't know if you're going to be able to hear us. So, Rich, whenever you're ready, mate, let's get rolling. So, map-wise, how are you going to start us off today? Because it's got 10 different maps, right?
I'm on 5.
Oh, so we're on 5?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's as high as I've been up.
Okay, that's the highest you've been in it so far. Do you know what kind of power that is?
I know 1 watt.
Okay.
That's 660 in the wheels.
660 in the wheels from that one?
On that one.
Okay, and then kill being, was it 1050?
1060.
1060 on the wheels. So somewhere in between that would be what we're going to do on first double walks.
It's got some traction left on.
Okay.
So you might find that it's cutting it a bit.
Okay, cool. So it's got a 10 position traction control, 9 position traction control.
Yeah, 9 position and we're on 5.
And we're all 5. I love it.
We're not turning that off.
We're not turning that off.
We can also go full rear wheel drive.
If you're going full rear wheel drive, probably.
We're not doing that.
No, we're not doing that.
We're just doing a little hit and turn.
A little hit and turn, okay. Oh my god! Mate, that's for medium boost or whatever setting we're on. That is incredible. You felt when you put your foot down, it kind of moved around a little bit and it started to settle down the faster you went, but mate, this does not hang around. That is lighter than a GTR, remember that, so whatever power to weight a GTR has, Well, thank you for the honour. And guys, honestly, right now, I just want to stop and say, I don't know if you heard what we were talking about prior, because this car is loud, but I want to shake your hand. And what's the owner's name? Are we allowed to
Conrad, yeah.
Conrad. Yeah. Conrad, you are a legend for actually building something like this.
Yeah.
This is as close as to perfection for me. A kind of a crazy build can get.
Oh, 100%.
This is it. Yeah. This is wild.
Yeah, yeah. It just had this bonkers idea and gone for it.
Yeah.
Which is like, we all wish that we could do it.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
But he's done it.
But it doesn't seem like he's cut any corners. It seems like it's done properly.
Yeah.
Which is, honestly, guys, like, this is, yes, just yes. Just like that. But it is very smooth. You'd expect such a race car to be like a heavy clutch and hard to drive and clunky. It's not. It's so hardy too. I know we're only doing it in straight lines today, but hey, it's just like, it's lovely. It's just lovely. So we are ending the video here. Today has honestly been one of, I'm not just saying this, honestly, it's been a highlight of the channel for me.
Awesome.
Like,
awesome.
That is how sick this car is. It literally embodies everything I love about cars and everything I hope the channel is about. Like, it's that crazy, it's that wild, bonkers, something that shouldn't be. It's two things put together that should never be. Thank you once again for letting me drive this.
Mate,
and to the owner. What was his name again? Conrad?
Conrad, yes.
Conrad,
thank you to Conrad.
You're a legend.
Yep.
And also, the great thing about this is, imminently, this car will be up for grabs.
So yeah, it will be up for grabs, and that's why we've got the car. We just finished some jobs off, did a few bits and bobs, bit of promo, and then yeah, it will be for sale on our website. And if you want to follow us on Instagram, you'll see the updates on there as well. Easy to find, Appreciating Classics. But yeah, that will be there.
So honestly, go check out their website. If you're into very, very clean, well-kept classics and special cars and bikes, go check them out. I think you'll be massively surprised, and hopefully we're going to do some more cool stuff together in the future. If you have enjoyed the video, smash that subscribe button. I'll leave links to Appreciating Classics down below in the description. Obviously no 0 to 60 today because someone is about to own this. You don't push too hard, you know, and only map 6. But anyway, hit that subscribe button and we'll catch you on the next one. Peace out.